Welcome back to Technophoria, and today we bring you the top 3 list of smartwatches under Rs 3000. Now the top 3 doesn't mean the first being at the top or third being at the bottom, it's just the list. Starting with the first one, Noise Color Fit Pro 2 smartwatch. Well, this smartwatch comes from the Noise brand. The body is polycarbonate and the strap is made up of TPU material and is skin friendly. It weighs just around 35 grams, which makes it feel light on your wrist. It has a 1.3-inch capacitive touchscreen which supports tap and swipe. There is a minimal lag in response, but no complaints at this price point. It's waterproof with IP68 rating, so feel free to dive in wearing one of these. Though it doesn't have a mic or speaker inbuilt, it gives you notification alerts when connected with a smartphone. It continuously monitors heart rate at a certain interval, which can be changed through settings. It comes with Bluetooth version 5.0, which is good. With 10 days of battery life and 45 days of standby, battery backup is good. It comes with loads of features like 9 sports mode, step counter, calorie burnt, weather forecast, female health tracking, etc. And yeah, it's compatible with both Android and iOS, so can be paired easily. Comes with many attractive color options like cherry red, deep wine, jet black, mist grey, royal blue and teal green. Now moving on to the pros and cons of this product. Starting with the pros, it doesn't look cheap at all. IP68 waterproofing, many attractive color options to choose from, comes with female health tracking, 10 days of battery life. Now moving on to the cons, it doesn't have an oximeter, which is kind of necessary nowadays. Customizability is limited. Now moving on to the smart score, looks and feel 4.5/5, durability 4/5, features 4/5 and value for money 4/5. It's priced at around 2,599 or 2,600 rupees. The product link will be given in the description. You can buy that product using that link. Second on our list, we have a smartwatch from Firebolt. The build quality of this smartwatch is pretty good, as it's made up of metal, so it's robust and weighs around 80 grams. With 400 nits of peak brightness, it's pretty bright and easy to read outside. With a 1.4-inch touchscreen and a 2.5D curved glass, the screen quality is fine. The touch response is good with no lag at all. Comes with an oximeter and blood pressure monitoring, which are nice welcoming features over all the other basic ones. It continuously measures heart rate at a certain intervals, which can be changed through settings. It has got a great customizability with over 200 watch faces. It has all the fitness related features inbuilt with different sports mode as well. It has got IPX7 water protection rating, that means can be held 1 meter underwater for 30 minutes. It comes in many good looking colors like black, blue, gold, grey and pink. Now moving on to the pros and cons of this product. Starting with the pros, it doesn't look cheap at all. It has got metal body. Comes with blood oxygen level monitoring or oximeter. It also has a blood pressure monitoring. 8 days of battery life and it has a good customizability. Now moving on to the cons, we have got kind of a con. Most tight setting in the strap can still be loose for very thin arms. And yeah, one thing to keep in mind, don't rely much on these products for monitoring your blood pressure and blood oxygen level monitoring. Now moving on to the smart score. Looks and feel 4.5/5, durability 5/5, features 4.5/5 and value for money 4.5/5. It is priced at around 3,000 rupees and the link is given in the description. And if you buy the product using that link, it will help the channel grow. Now moving on to the third product from our list is the Pebble Pace smartwatch. This smartwatch does look and feel premium in hands. With its silicone wristband, it feels comfortable on the wrist. It comes with a 1.4-inch TFT screen, which looks really nice. The colors are good and outside visibility is decent. One thing for sure, the touch response is really good. It does come with an oximeter and blood pressure monitoring. It also has a 24/7 heart rate monitoring, which monitors at a certain interval, which can be changed in the settings. With 7 days of battery backup, the backup is decent. It does have a haptic feedback, which is a brief vibration feedback from the device for any notification, and is a nice feature to have. It has a good customizability with more than 100 watch faces. With IPX7 water resistant rating, it can easily withstand rain, workout or shower, etc. It has all the basic fitness features like multiple workout modes, step counter, calorie burnt, along with women health monitoring. The colors which it comes in are really attractive. The options are black, blue and rose gold. And it's Android and iOS compatible, so no issue with connectivity. Now moving on to the pros and cons of this product. Starting with the pros, it has got really attractive color options. Silicone wrist strap, good customizability, it has oximeter and blood pressure monitoring, haptic feedback on touch, good screen colors and great touch response. Comes with Bluetooth 5.0. Now moving on to the cons, blood pressure monitoring is not that accurate. Now let's see the smart score. Look and feel 4.5 by 5, durability 4 by 5, features 4.5 by 5, value for money 4.5 by 5. It comes with a price tag of Rs 3000, and if you want to check this product out, the link is given in the description. Now these are our top 3 recommendations in this category. Which one was your favorite? If you have any other options in your mind or you own one of these, do let us know in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, do like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and family. We post videos every week, and as this channel is new, we highly appreciate if you give us the feedback and do support our channel and help us grow. We'll see you next week.